to sign up on Roblox. Ready to join millions of players and explore countless worlds in Roblox? Signing up is easy. This video shows you how to do it. Head over to the Roblox website at www.roblox.com in your web browser. On the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says Sign Up. Click on that button. A sign-up form will appear. First, you enter your birthday. Roblox uses this to determine some in-game experiences you can access. Remember to enter your real birthday. This information is important for age-appropriate content. Next, create a username for your Roblox account. This will be the name other players see you by. Keep it unique, fun, and appropriate for all ages. Choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You can optionally enter your email address, and this is helpful for recovering your account if you forget your password. Once you've filled out all the information, click on the Sign Up button again at the bottom of the form. And congratulations, you are now signed up for Roblox. You can explore the vast library of games, create your own avatar, and start having fun. Don't forget to verify your account if you entered an email address. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming on Roblox.